Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over a topic that you will be able to use as you advance in math and in real life. Personally, I think that this one is very important to know, and the best part is that it isn't too hard. So without further ado, let's get into how to find the mean, median, mode, and range. To start, let's do our mean. To find our mean, we need to add all of our numbers and divide by our sum, which is our answer after adding, by the number of numbers we have. Now, before we continue, I want you guys to pause the video and reread that definition on your own because I know that it can get a little confusing when I say the number of numbers. Okay, if you got that, let's try to solve the example that we have here. In this example, we have 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, and 1. Well, first we need to add all of our numbers together. So 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 23 plus 1 is 24, which gives us a sum of 24. Continuing on, we need to find how many numbers we have here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 numbers. So now all we have to do is divide 24 by 6, which gives us a perfect 4. Moving on to the median, this one is probably one of the easiest of the 4. All we have to do is put the numbers from least to greatest and see which one is in the middle, which in this case is 4. Even though we could see the middle number pretty easily in this problem, you can count the number of numbers on each side of your median to make sure that it is actually your middle number. Now you may also be asking yourself what happens if we have 2 numbers in the middle. Well, in this case, we have to find the mean of those 2 numbers. In this example, we have a median of 5 and 3. So like we did a few minutes ago, we add 5 and 3 to get a sum of 8, and then we divide by 2, which gives us 4. Now for the mode, which is the number that appears the most. Now, like the last one, this is another pretty easy one to find. In this example, we see that the numbers 8 and 6 appear the most. However, you can also see that 6 appears 3 times, while 8 only appears 2 times. This is why it's always good to count and check your work. Now, like the median, you might be asking, what happens if there's 2 modes? Well, for mode, it simply means that there are 2 modes. That's it. Lastly, for range, we have to rearrange our numbers from least to greatest like we did with the median. Now, we can see that our greatest number is 7 and our lowest number is 1. So all we have to do now is subtract 7 from 1, which gives us 6. So before I let you guys go, I wanted to give you guys a graphing example because I know that you're probably going to receive a question like this when you're getting mean, median, mode, and range. So in this example, it says, a student takes a survey of how long, in minutes, it takes her classmates to get to school. Find the mean, median, mode, and range of the data provided. So to make this problem easier for ourselves, let's split it up. First, let's find our mean. To do this, we add all our numbers together, which gives us 45, and then divide by the number of numbers we have, which is 5. So after dividing, our mean is 9. Next, let's do our median. First, we need to rearrange the numbers, which we always put from least to greatest. After that, we can see that our middle number, or median, is 7. Moving on, we need to find our mode, which we can see is 7, because it repeats twice while all the other numbers are only seen once. Lastly, we need to find our range. Since we already arranged our numbers when finding the median, we just have to subtract 15 from 4, which gives us 11 as our range. I know I might have gone a little fast there at the end, so if you need to slow it down, please feel free to. I hope that you guys understood this, and I'm sure that after a little practice, you will all get the hang of it. As always, comment down below if you have any questions, as well as hit the notification bell and subscribe to keep on learning. Bye!